Let's talk about the mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete random variable. So the mean of a discrete random variable is given by this formula. So each value of x is multiplied by its corresponding probability and the products are added. So we're going to multiply x and their corresponding probability and we're going to sum them up and that is your mean. So let's have this example number 1. The probability distribution for the personality inventory test for passive-aggressive traits is shown at the left. So where 1 is extremely passive and 5 is extremely aggressive, a score of 3 indicated neither traits. So are we going to find the mean? So the formula says that we're going to multiply the x and its corresponding probability. So meaning that is 1 times 0.16 is equal to 0.16, 2 times 0.22 that is 0.44, 3 times 0.28 that is 0.84, 4 times 0.2 is 0.40, and 5 times 0.14 is 0.7. So add this 0.16, 0.44, 0.84, 0.40, 0.7 is equal to 2.94. So the mean is equal to 2.94. So how are we going to interpret the mean? So recall that the score of 1, it means that is extremely passive, and the score of 5 is extremely aggressive. Then 3 indicates neither these two traits. So if you will notice, the mean is 2.94. This is almost 3. So the mean personality trait is neither extremely passive nor extremely aggressive, but is slightly close to passive. Now are we going to find the variance and standard deviation of the discrete random variable? So the variance is given by this formula and the standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. So once you already have the variance, just get its square root, that is the standard deviation. So let us find the variance and standard deviation of example number 1. So these are the formulas. This is the formula for the variance and this is the formula for the standard deviation. So again, we need the table. So the x are the values of the random variable x. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the probability of x are this. Okay, now, in the formula, we need x minus the mean. So meaning we're going to subtract the mean. So that is 1 minus 2.94 is this. 2 minus 2.94 is negative 0.94. 3 minus 2.94 is this. 4 minus 2.94 is 1.06. 5 minus 2.94 is 2.06. Next, in the formula, it says that we need to square the x minus the mean. So it means we're going to multiply x minus the mean twice to itself. So that is negative 1.94 times negative 1.94. That is 3.7636. So same, negative 0.94 times negative 0.94, that is 0.8836. So do the same up to the last entry. So that is 2.06 times 2.06. So what that is 4.2436. Now, next in the formula is we need to multiply this x minus the mean squared by its corresponding probability. So meaning that is 3 point, meaning that is 3.7636 times 0.16. So this is the product. 0.8836 times 0.22 is this. 0.0036 times 0.28 is this. 1.1236 times 0.20. 4.2436 times 0.14 is this. Now, the variance is just the summation of this. So meaning we're going to add this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and its summation is the variance. So adding this, the sum is equal to 1.6164. So round this off to 1 decimal place. That is now equivalent to 1.6, or round off this to nearest tenths. That is 1.6. So the variance is 1.6. So to find the standard deviation, just get the square root of 1.6. That is 1.3. So the standard deviation is 1.3. So it means that most of the values differ from the mean by no more than 1.3. Thank you.